cream truck. So
These, but where did these go?
I don't know. Find a spot for him. It's a lot of ice cream.
My tail.
I
That's
know
a
it's
go.
I think that's the deep
lot
fryer.
ice cream.
What's I put in my heel?
I don't know where I'm gonna put these.
It was heel.
Let's see. What about the donuts?
Let's see all the stuff you guys have.
How about let's switch this and take all the donuts and put them over in this little window to check them out. Right there, you know, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
That was actually a great spot for money. Let me put that there.
And this is an ice scope. These are ice scope.
There's these little bowls. With the spoons. Adding more little spoons to it.
And these are uncuffings. I put it right
I
here.
think those go right here.
But how,
And a cup dispenser.
Mom, where should I put the cups?
Those are the cups right there. Oh, those are bowls. Why don't you?
And these little spoons.
Go like right here. There's a lot of compartments in there.
Mom, where's these go? Pincers? Oh, these goes.
Okay, here are the ice
And
creams.
here's
Right.
pockets.
And here's the snow
And
cones.
here's the pockets.
Here are the popsicles. There's this flavor, this flavor, this flavor, this flavor, and this flavor. You can see it's white with spots, or like pink spots. Here are the napkins that goes like there. So you can see all this stuff from in there. Here's this little ice cream. This one is not removable, but it looks removable. So Alina, how about we start setting up this stuff right now, and we'll show the camera after. So put these there.
Where's these go?
I don't know. Kind of put them. And she just throws them. So we got the swirly pops. Yummy swirly pops. This one's pink and yellow. This one's red and white. And two blue, little blue. This is a banana split. I have one of these. So, yeah. This one is my second one. If you could see Alina holding them up, because she wasn't really holding up there, were the vanilla and chocolate popsicles. My favorite has to be the chocolate one. And I don't know why it's so bumpy. If you can see, it's bumpy. Next up is the banana split. I already got the banana split, but here are the ice cream sandwiches. This one's like a cookie, and this one is like the chocolate cookie. This is really cute. It's a little bell. Go ding, 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 but it doesn't actually make noise, so it doesn't bother other people who can hear you. Just Ding, 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 ding. You can be 10. This is really good because it's really cool because it has ice creams that has these flavors on them. I'll show you them one by one if you can't see them. Here's caramel. See that little sticker on the top? Here is strawberry. And last, right there is chocolate. If you can't see it, it's chocolate. These, me and my sister don't really know where to put these, but they're 2 little popsicles, 2 together. And there's another one. This one's pink, green, and orange. There it is. On a little pile right here. The 2 yummy ice creams. Yum, 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 yum. They're all the same. Turn them around. They have chocolate and vanilla. The other one has chocolate and vanilla. There's more things over there. We're trying to get through all of them, and then we're going to set them up. So, Alina's handing me all the stuff. So, chocolate and vanilla and chocolate. I think there's more over here. Yes, there is one more. This is vanilla. So there's this one, vanilla. This one, chocolate and vanilla. And this one, just chocolate. I love chocolate. Donuts. These don't actually go in the right bin, but the donuts. This goes there. This doesn't go there, but pink, pink, blue. Cool. So let's start setting these up, and then we'll move on to other stuff. I'm gonna put that down. We're gonna show those because those are really cool. So let's start setting them up. I don't know where to put this. Alina, don't show the camera. Yeah, it's gonna be a surprise, okay? These don't go there. You can see like a view there. Okay, we'll give you a close-up of these. There they are. Alina, I have an idea. Listen to this. So, we had a little talk. It was nice. So, here are some shoppers. If you can't see, I'll show you at the end. The shoppers. Okay, I'll go set up here while you set up the stuff there. One more talk. And she just fell. Alina, don't show them anymore, okay? Because we're going to do that at the end. It's going to be a big surprise. If you have the ice cream truck, I want to see a video putting you up playing with it. Because this is me and Alina's American Girl Doll channel. So, we like making American Girl Doll stuff on the channel, but we don't really like. Sometimes we'll do other videos, but mostly American Girl Dolls. So I'll show you my American Girl Dolls at the end of the video. I just started collecting, so don't tell me that I don't have a lot. Don't show the camera. It's gonna be a surprise for them. Okay, Lily? Lily, we're showing them right now. the pink one is broken, but that's okay. There's yellow, there's pink, yellow, white, and blue. We're gonna open that, and I'm gonna really just set up the food with Selena, but I'm gonna write a little stuff on the board too.
Me too.
You know,
Yes.
you set up the stuff while I write it on the board.
But I want it too. I want to see.
I'm gonna talk to the camera, okay?
Okay, guys.
We're gonna go up to the camera and show 'em.
That was wide.
Go show the camera. Go show the camera the food.
These are ice creams. You can see it. These things are ice creams. And this is chocolate. I got chocolate things. See? Those springles. And these got springles. I can see the things. I'm not fish. These are things. See, you can't see camera. These are all our stuff. We got more things. These things.